Hello, and welcome to Learn English Podcast Pro. My name is Sarah, and I am happy you are here to learn English with me. In today's episode, I will share my story of going to the supermarket. Going shopping is a normal part of life, so it is very important to know the right words. You will listen to a conversation between me and John, who is a cashier and a shop assistant. This dialogue will help you learn important vocabulary. We will use words like supermarket, shopping list, price, buy, pay, checkout, and money. Listen carefully to our slow English dialogue. Let's begin. Hello.
Hello. Welcome to the supermarket.
Thank you. I need to buy some food.
You are in the right place. We sell a lot of food here.
Great. I need a basket. Where are the baskets?
The baskets are right here, near the entrance.
Oh, I see them now. I will take one basket. This basket is good.
Yes, that is a good basket. Do you have a shopping list?
Yes, I have a shopping list. My shopping list is here in my hand.
A shopping list is very helpful. It helps you remember what to buy.
Yes, my shopping list is very important. I need to buy many things today.
What do you need to buy from the supermarket today?
First, I need to buy some fruits. My shopping list says I need to buy fruits.
The fruits are over there. You can find many kinds of fruits.
Thank you. I will go to the fruit section.
If you need any help, please ask me. My name is John.
Thank you, John. My name is Sarah. I am a customer here today.
It is nice to meet you, Sarah. Enjoy your shopping at our supermarket.
Thank you. I am going to buy some fruits now. Sarah walks to the fruit section. John arranges some items on a shelf nearby. Wow, so many fruits. I see apples, bananas, and oranges. My shopping list says I need apples. Sarah, to John. Excuse me, John?
Yes, Sarah. How can I help you?
I want to buy some apples. What is the price of the apples?
The price for the apples is $3 for 1 kilo.
$3 for 1 kilo. Okay, I want to buy 1 kilo of apples.
You can take a bag and put 1 kilo of apples in it. The scale is right there.
Thank you. I will buy 1 kilo of red apples. They look fresh.
Yes, all our fruits and vegetables are very fresh. We sell fresh food.
That is good to know. I like fresh food. Okay, 1 kilo of apples in my basket. Now, my shopping list says I need to buy bananas. Where are the bananas?
The bananas are right next to the apples.
Oh, yes, I see them. What is the price of the bananas?
The price for the bananas is $2 for 1 kilo.
The price is $2 for 1 kilo. That is a good price. I want to buy 1 kilo of bananas.
Okay, you can put 1 kilo of bananas in your basket.
Yes, 1 kilo of bananas. They are yellow and look very good. I will buy them. Now they are in my basket. My shopping list also says oranges. I need to buy oranges.
The oranges are here, next to the bananas.
Thank you, John. You are very helpful. What is the price of the oranges?
The price for the oranges is $4 for 1 kilo.
$4 for 1 kilo. Okay, I will buy half a kilo of oranges. Is that okay?
Yes, of course, you can buy half a kilo. You can buy whatever amount you need.
Great. I will buy half a kilo of oranges. They are for juice. Okay, the oranges are in my basket. I think that is all for the fruits. I have apples, bananas, and oranges. Now I need to buy some vegetables. Where are the vegetables?
The vegetables are on the other side, right over there.
Thank you, John. I will go and buy the vegetables now. Sarah walks to the vegetables section. So many vegetables. My shopping list says I need tomatoes. Sarah, to John, who is now nearby. Hello again, John.
Hello, Sarah. Did you find the vegetables?
Yes, I am here. I want to buy tomatoes. What is the price of the tomatoes?
The price for the tomatoes is $3 for 1 kilo.
$3 for 1 kilo. I will buy 1 kilo of tomatoes, please. They are for a salad.
A good choice. These tomatoes are perfect for salads.
Thank you. 1 kilo of tomatoes in a bag and in my basket. Perfect. Now, my shopping list also says potatoes. I need to buy potatoes.
The potatoes are right here. We have a few different kinds.
I need some for baking. What is the price of these big potatoes?
The price for the big potatoes is $2 for 1 kilo.
$2 for 1 kilo. That is a good price. I will buy 2 kilos of potatoes.
2 kilos of potatoes. Okay. Here is a strong bag for them.
Thank you. 2 kilos of potatoes in my basket. My basket is getting heavy.
A happy, heavy basket is a good sign of a good shopping trip.
Yes, it is. Next on my list, onions. I need to buy onions.
The onions are just behind you.
Oh, here they are. What is the price for 1 kilo of onions?
The price for the onions is $2 for 1 kilo.
The same price as the potatoes. $2 for 1 kilo. I will buy 1 kilo of onions.
1 kilo of onions. Here you are.
Thank you, John. The onions are now in my basket. I have fruits and vegetables. Now I need to buy some bread. Where is the bread section?
The bread is in the bakery section. It is at the back of the supermarket.
The back of the supermarket. I will go there. Thank you.
You're welcome, Sarah.
It smells so good here. So much bread. I need to buy 1 loaf of white bread. Here it is. What is the price? The price tag says $2.50. Okay, I will buy this one. 1 loaf of bread into my basket. My shopping list also says I need milk and eggs. Milk and eggs. Where can I find them? I think I need to ask John again. He is a very helpful shop assistant. John, where are you?
I'm here, Sarah. Do you need more help?
Yes, please. I have my bread. Now I need to buy milk and eggs.
The milk and eggs are in the dairy section. It's in aisle 5. Do you see the big sign that says dairy?
Oh, yes, aisle 5. I see it. Thank you. I will go there.
No problem. The milk is in the refrigerator.
In the refrigerator. Got it. Thank you, John. Aisle 5. Here is the dairy section, and here is the refrigerator with the milk. There are many types of milk. My shopping list says 1 bottle of whole milk. Here it is. Let's check the price. The price is $3 for 1 bottle. Okay, I will buy this bottle. Now I need to buy eggs. Where are the eggs? They should be near the milk. Yes, here they are. Eggs. I need 1 carton of eggs. What is the price?
What is the price for the eggs? The price is $4 for 1 carton. This carton has 12 eggs. $4 for a carton of eggs. I will buy this. It is a good price. Okay, the eggs are in my basket. I must be careful with the eggs. I do not want to break them. Let me check my shopping list one more time. Apples, yes. Bananas, yes. Oranges, yes. Tomatoes, yes. Potatoes, yes. Onions, yes. Bread, yes. Milk, yes. And eggs, yes. I think I have everything. My shopping trip is almost finished. Now I need to go to the checkout to pay for my things. My basket is full. I need to find the checkout. I see the checkout counters. Oh, John is the cashier at this checkout. That's nice. Hello again, John.
Hello, Sarah. Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I am ready to pay. I have all the things from my shopping list.
That is wonderful. I will be your cashier now. Please put your items on the counter.
Okay, here are the apples. 1 kilo of apples.
1 kilo of apples, that is $3.
Here are the bananas. 1 kilo of bananas.
1 kilo of bananas, that is $2.
And half a kilo of oranges.
Half a kilo of oranges, that will be $2.
Okay. Here are the vegetables. 1 kilo of tomatoes.
1 kilo of tomatoes, that is $3.
2 kilos of potatoes.
2 kilos of potatoes, that will be $4.
And 1 kilo of onions.
1 kilo of onions, that is $2.
Now the bread. 1 loaf of bread.
1 loaf of bread, that is $2.50.
And the milk. 1 bottle of milk.
1 bottle of milk, that is $3.
And finally, the eggs. Be careful. 1 carton of eggs.
1 carton of eggs. I will be very careful. That is $4. Is that everything, Sarah?
Yes, that is everything I want to buy today.
Okay, let me calculate the total price for you. Let's see, 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 250 plus 3 plus 4. The total price is $25.50.
$25.50. Okay. Do you have any special discounts today?
Let me check. We do have a discount for customers who buy more than $20 worth of groceries.
Oh, that's me. I am a customer who wants to buy $25.50 worth.
Yes, you get a 10% discount.
A 10% discount? That is great news.
Yes. So 10% of $25.50 is $2.55. We will take that off your total price.
So, what is the new price?
Your new total price with the discount is $22.95.
$22.95. That is a very good price. I am happy with that discount.
We are happy to give our customers a good price. How would you like to pay? You can pay with cash or a card.
I will pay with money. I mean cash. I have cash here.
Okay. The total is $22.95.
Here is a $20 bill, and here is a $5 bill. That is $25 in cash.
Thank you. I have received $25 from you. I will now give you your change. The price is $22.95. You gave me $25. So your change is $2.05. Here is your change, $2.05.
Thank you. I have my change now.
Now I will put all your things in a bag for you. Do you need one bag or two bags?
The potatoes are heavy. Maybe 2 bags would be better.
Good idea. I will use 2 bags, one bag for the heavy things and one bag for the light things. In the first bag, I will put the potatoes and the onions. I will also put the apples and oranges here. This is the heavy bag.
Okay, thank you.
In the second bag, I will put the bread, the tomatoes, the bananas, and the milk, and I will put the eggs right on top so they are safe.
Thank you for being so careful, John. You are a very good cashier.
Thank you, Sarah. It is my job to help the customer. Here are your 2 bags.
Thank you so much. I have my groceries and my change.
And here is your receipt. It shows everything you did buy today and the price for everything.
Thank you for the receipt. I will keep it.
Thank you for shopping at our supermarket today, Sarah. We hope to see you again.
Yes, I will come back. This is a very good supermarket. You sell great products and you have very helpful staff.
We are happy to hear that. Have a wonderful day, Sarah.
You too, John. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And that is the end of my trip to the supermarket. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and my story. Today, you learned how to talk at the supermarket. You learned how to ask for the price, how to find things like bread and milk, and how to pay at the checkout. Practice these new words. The more you practice, the easier it will be to speak English. If you liked this episode and want more slow English dialogues to help you learn, please subscribe to our channel, Learn English Podcast Pro. When you subscribe, you will get all of our new lessons. Please also like this episode and share it with your friends. Thank you for listening. I will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.